Welcome to the introductory notes of the unit Foresight, Basic Concepts and Assumptions. At this point, you can see the analysis of the main keywords. Alternative futures. It is the idea that everything can have multiple paths in life. Strategic forecasting and decision-making can be changed based on those different paths. Forecasting. The assessment of all possible developments. The forecasting process assumes that all relations affecting the subject or problem under consideration remain constant. Therefore, the time horizon of the forecast is relatively short. Foresight. It is a part of future studies. It is about understanding the present based on past, present, and future information. Foresight involves describing alternative versions of the future, creating, developing, and using systems to analyze information about the future. The EU defines it as a participatory process on the future of complex issues. Frequently, the term refers to alternative planning methods. Foresight thinking. Contrary to forecasting, the strategic thinking of foresight perceives the past, the present, and the future as inseparably intertwined. Therefore, issues related to society, technology, sciences, education, politics, culture, and economy are examined as interrelated cultural and systemic entities. When considering such matters, it is right to consider different ethics, values, and transparency. Foresight is more of a processual energy. It combines technological development with social decision-making and reveals innovative, often hidden opportunities by exploring many different perspectives and fields together. Futures education. The development of necessary skills, knowledge, and know-how to plan the future, as well as the knowledge about the alternative versions of the future that will help the learner develop cognitive and ethical abilities in making decisions about the future. We often refer to it as training in the transformation of the future. Future studies. They are the systematic, interdisciplinary, and holistic study of social and technological progress and other environmental trends, often intending to investigate how people will live and work in the future. It includes research about the future and artistic and other activities that promote specific versions of the future. Modern future scientists emphasize the importance of systematically exploring alternatives. These studies can generally be considered a branch of the social sciences. Future studies, or simply futures as many professionals in the field call them, seek to understand what or which of the events happening today are likely to continue happening and what could reasonably be changed. A part of the discipline thus pursues a systematic and pattern-based understanding of the past and present to explore future alternatives. Vision. An actively pursued version of the future as defined by an individual, a group, an organization, or a state. A vision includes a solidly grounded direction based on the actor's values and founding principles. The vision is not always achievable, but it defines the actions and knowledge that advance a future, which can lead to the redefinition of the vision as a result of gathering new information and developing activities. Ready to begin your journey? Let's explore what is and what is not foresight and why it stands at the center of scientific debate today.